Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into a crucial process for software that goes global: localization testing. Whether you're developing a mobile app, a website, or enterprise software, localization testing ensures your product works seamlessly in different languages and regions. Let's break down each stage of the localization testing life cycle. Here, we focus on understanding the software's localization needs. What content requires translation? What cultural elements need to be adjusted? We analyze things like date formats, currencies, and text strings that need to be adapted for the target market. Next up, translation. This is where we translate all the necessary content into the local languages of the target audience. It's more than just a literal translation. We need to make sure the language makes sense culturally so that users feel like the product was made for them. Now comes the review stage. The translated content and user interface are examined thoroughly. Here, we ensure that the localized version maintains the same meaning and functionality as the original. If there are any errors, they're caught during this step. During the review, any bugs that are found move us into the bug fixing phase. This is where developers resolve problems like incorrect translations, misaligned text, or functional issues caused by the localization process. It's crucial that we resolve all bugs before moving forward. Once everything is polished, we move to integration. The localized content is integrated back into the software, ensuring that it works smoothly with the original framework. Testing at this stage guarantees that the new content doesn't break existing functionality. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for: product launch. The localized product is introduced to the target market, ready for users to engage with it in their own language. At this point, the product should feel natural and intuitive to users in any region. And that's a quick overview of the localization testing life cycle. From analyzing needs to launching a fully localized product, each step is crucial to making sure your software feels at home in every market.